Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Airbnb to Delta in 2024. So, are you planning to travel to our BNB listing or to any BNB listing and looking for seamless flight options? Today I will guide you through the process of connecting your Airbnb booking to Delta Airlines, ensuring a smooth and convenient travel experience for you. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, it could be any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, basically just go to the URL section. Make sure to go and open your apps, or your browsers. Then go to Airbnb.com, and you'll have to do the same. So go to Delta normally, so delta.com, and you'll find yourself in the home screen or main screen of Delta and Airbnb. So make sure to connect to your accounts. As example, for me, Airbnb I'm already done, or create a new account. Of course, if it's your first time, you'll find yourself on the same page, but here you'll find the login option and sign up option. So if you don't have an account, you'll be able to create an account or log in into it. You can even use Google, Apple, Facebook if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. For data, it's going to be the same example. So just go here and click on sign up as an example to create a new account. As simple as that. So just go. Once we click on sign up, of course, we'll be taken here and we will need to fill up all those informations like first name as an example. So let's say this is my first name. And of course, as an example, let me just go do some random things. So last name, I'll just do cis. Date of birth, I'll just do February 2002. So I'm just entering some random informations for you. Make sure to enter some informations that are real. Address line, states, I'll just choose this. And mobile number, I'll just do +1 202 555, something like that. Email address, and of course I'll keep filling up all my information like at gmail.com. Then I'll have to confirm that email address at gmail.com. And of course, if you want to receive notifications and promotions and etc., as you can see, travel alerts, special offers, account activity, make sure to check this option. If you don't want to receive it and you don't want to have emails to your account or to your email, just go and click on next. Then, of course, okay, I'll just do this. Now next. So I'll just do this then. Not click on next right now. Now, as you can see, you'll have to fill up your username. As an example, I'll just choose the same one. And here you'll have to enter a password. Of course, if it's already used, I'll just add something like that, or I'll just omix tests because that should be good. Yeah. So the password, I'll just go here and enter one. Make sure it contains from 8 to 20, one number, one uppercase, and one lowercase characters. So make sure it contains all of that. Confirm it. Make sure to confirm it also. And then security question. For example, what's your partner or what's your phone number you remembered from most from your childhood? What was your favorite place to visit as a child? Example, I don't know. I'll just type school, even if it's not true. The second one, as an example, what the pet's name. So I'll just type test. And here you can apply for the Delta Sky Miles Gold American Express card if you don't want to. You don't need anything, click on submit. As you do so, you'll have to wait until this loads and you should be logged in into an account right away. So let me just wait for it. So as you can see, welcome to Sky Miles. So here, as you can see, you are done. You have an account. So now, as an example, we would like, as we said, to connect your Airbnb to Delta. So how basically you can do it? Of course, there's no direct integration between Airbnb and Delta Airlines for booking flights or booking something like that. However, you can still facilitate travel arrangements or for your Airbnb guests by providing them with some information and resources. As an example, you'll be able to provide informations offer your guests guidance on the nearest airports to your Airbnb listing, and they're approximately like to Delta Airlines hubs or destinations served by Delta. You can even direct your guests to the official Delta Airlines websites like delta.com. And here, of course, they can search for flights by their own, view schedules, and make reservation directly. And you can even inform like your guests about any ongoing promotions, discounts, or even deal offers by Delta Airlines. And they can often like find these on the airline websites or through promotional emails. You can suggest also some reputable like travel agencies or some online travel platform where your guest like can compare flight option, prices, and book their tickets. Many agencies offer, of course, assistance and support through the booking process. You can also provide some assistance to your guests by recommending local travel agencies or concierge services that can help like with flights booking, transportation to the airport, and other like travel arrangements. So other than that, as an example, to specifically connect it, of course you can use like maybe try to be an affiliate for Delta. And when people like try to book something from your place on Airbnb, you can give them like maybe promotionals, or you can give them your link, like your affiliate link, so you can get, as example, some money if they like book a flight on Delta.com through you. Of course, other than that, as an example, you'll be able to specifically like add for your customers in Airbnb the service of finding a plane for them or finding a booking for them through delta.com. Of course, make sure to be clear about it. You're trying to find like the cheapest one on delta.com and etc. And of course, make sure to simply add that on your listen or Airbnb if you add this service. And yeah, like that's basically what you can do trying to connect Airbnb to the topic. There's no like direct connection. So if you go here to your profile and go to your account, as example, login and security, so example, social accounts, you can simply just connect Facebook and Google. You can deactivate your accounts. Of course, even if you go here to help center, as example, so I'll just type connects Delta as example, Delta to Airbnb. You will not find anything, even the help center. Normally, if you like try to do something, you can find everything in the help center. As you can see here, all they have is simply a partnership program, as you can see, which is travel rewards. So there's here, as you can see, an article about a partnership as example. And as example, you can use this delta airbnb.com. So it seems like they have a website. As you can see, you can enter your Sky Miles number to enter earning miles. Earn 1 mile per $1 spent with Airbnb on all qualifying. So basically, you'll have to enter the Sky Miles number. And as you can see, you'll earn $1 with Airbnb, where you'll earn 1 mile per $1 spent with Airbnb. So example, if you enter like your number here, miles, and you'll be able to use this. You can see stay and earn miles towards the next adventure. So click on terms apply. So as you can see here, you'll be able to read all the terms and conditions. And as you can see, you can earn 1 mile per $1 spent on Airbnb. So you'll be able to get some discounts on your travel using Delta, as you can see. So once you enter it, just start booking. And every dollar spent, you'll add 1 mile so you can get some discounts on Delta. And that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.